You will watch a discussion among 3 people. There are 2 women and 1 man. They are at their weekly staff meeting. This is April. This is Lily. This is Tim.
I read an interesting article in a magazine last night. It was called The Long Tail, and it was based on a book with the same title. It compared businesses to a comet and gave advice for specialty businesses like ours.
I don't follow. What do you mean about a long tail?
Okay, picture a comet, those fiery things we see in the sky every now and then. The head of the comet represents those best-selling products that people want to buy. The tail of the comet represents specialty items that appeal to only a few people. Basically, it said that in many cases, the long-tailed specialty products generate profits that may equal those of mass appeal products.
Ah, okay, I think I get it. And this is relevant to us how?
Well, I was thinking that in addition to the standard flower arrangements we have, we could offer some other not-so-standard arrangements. Even if only a few people might buy them, it could still generate quite a bit of money.
Well, we don't have much more room for more flower arrangements, especially not ones that only a few people are going to buy.
True. But the example in the article gave me an idea. We need to stand out among our competition. I'm thinking we could find or even create some kind of online flower arranging tool for our website that would allow our customers to make their own arrangements. No other local company is offering a service like that.
Oh, I see where you're going with this. We could offer drop-down menus. First they choose the size, then the dominant color, and then the type of flower. And then we get to try to make it for them. I love it.
But what if they create something really ugly?
Well, so what? You might think it's ugly, but if they like it and they're willing to buy it, then why not make it for them?
Because we have a reputation to consider.
Okay, so we offer some suggestions. We take a look and say, how about if we add some tall flowers here so that your arrangement has a focal point? Or how about if we put some yellow in over here so that it makes it more interesting?
How would we create this online flower shop?
Well, I'll investigate online flower arranging tools tonight and let you know what I find. You know, we could even set up a computer in the store, maybe in the far corner. We'd have to move the artificial flowers to the back of the store, if you want to talk about ugly.